If you need to cancel a pending transaction on your American Express card, follow these steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Locate the transaction. Once logged in, navigate to the Transactions or Activities section. Look for the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Step 3. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transaction to view more details. Confirm that it is the correct transaction you want to cancel. Step 4. Contact the merchant. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Follow up with American Express. If the merchant cannot assist, contact American Express customer service. Provide them with the transaction details and request their help in canceling the pending charge. In conclusion, canceling a pending transaction requires quick action and communication with both the merchant and American Express. Always keep records of your interactions for future reference.